do hit the blah. Hey guys, it's your girl Lhen. Welcome back to my channel. So, for today's video, ang gagawin natin is Kendall makeup look. Kasi nga, nag-reach out sa akin sa ate mong Kendall. Tapos sabi niya sa akin, sis, baka naman, pwede mo namang gawan ng tutorial. Pero drugstore yung gagawin natin kasi wala tayong pambili nung kanyang makeup. Sobrang mahal. So, paraanan na lang natin to using drugstore product. Let's start. Start ako with foundation. Sabi ko kay Kylie. Sabi ko, sige naman, papayag na ako na gawan ng look yung kapatid mong si Kendall. Pinag-google ko. To highlight naman, I'll put in yung aking ED Advanced na liquid foundation. Kasi ito yung lighter sa skin ko. Pavi. So, like this set. And then next naman na gagawin ko is yung eyes. So, I'm using 2 to 3 products lang from this palette. This is from Morena. Favorite ko to recently kasi sobrang ganda ng colors na and ang lalaki ng pan niya. As you can see, yun din yung ginamit ko to bronze or contour yung aking best shape. As in, ganun lang. Super one. To define yung crease. Next is, I'll be using this one to make a crease. I'll be using it sa lower lash line. Hindi ko makuha yung ilong ni Maring Kendall, pero effect na yan. Next is yung aking brows. I'll use a brow soap, SDN Cosmetics. Pero mukhang high-end. That's it. And then next is ang lip. I'm using Wyers Cosmetics na ito yung velvet lip kit nila. And ito na lang tira. Naputol po siya. Slowly. Watching this video. If you liked it, please do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to click that notification bell para lagi kang updated sa mga bago kong kabalbalan.